What is stoneware? It's the bakeware you'll use again and again for all your family's favorite recipes. I know I do. It's made from a natural clay that's formed into a design and fired at 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, then hand finished. So each piece is one of a kind. The reason you're gonna love your stoneware is that it keeps baked goods light and crispy, and meat stays tender and juicy. It also distributes heat, so your foods cook evenly, and you won't need to stir or turn the food as it cooks. And since stoneware is virtually non-porous, it won't hold on to oils, odors, or flavors from your past meals. Our stoneware is different from other types of cookware and bakeware. As you use your stoneware, it will develop a natural nonstick seasoning. We like to say, the darker it looks, the better it cooks. Here we have a large bar pan straight out of the box. The more you use your stone, it will develop this nice golden color. And then after years of use, just like this one from the test kitchen, it'll become nice and dark. You can use stoneware in ovens, toaster ovens, and microwaves. We have a big selection of stoneware, and there's a piece designed for just about every kind of cooking. Our unglazed stoneware is great for everyday cooking and reheating. It's your kitchen workhorse. Partially glazed stoneware is a great way to take meals right from the oven or microwave to the table, no extra dishes. And our entertaining stoneware makes it a breeze to go from oven to table to dishwasher. And since there aren't any unglazed surfaces, they don't need to be seasoned. Now you can start cooking on it right away, but you might want to brush it with a little oil for the first few uses, or cook a high-fat food like refrigerated biscuits. Stoneware isn't indestructible. To keep it safe from what we call thermal shock or breaking, make sure your stoneware is 2/3 covered with food every time you cook. And spread the food evenly over the surface, just as we've done here. You might notice that some pieces are a slightly different color, and that's totally normal because the clay has natural variations. There are all different shapes and sizes, so there's a piece of stoneware for every cooking task. Our deep cover baker and rectangular baker are perfect for large families. For smaller families, you can have most recipes and cook them in the mini deep cover baker or the medium rectangular baker. Another great tip is that all three of our rectangular bakers not only nest together for easier storage, but also fit on the same rack of most ovens at the same time. So you can cook a full meal at the same temperature or keep food warm until you're ready to serve it. For more information about our stoneware or to get your own, go to our website. Happy cooking!